Why is getting pre-approved so important when selling a home in 2024? Let's dive right in. See, the housing market in 2024 is highly competitive. Sellers are constantly flooded with offers, and a pre-approval letter can make yours stand out. Document tells sellers that you're not just window shopping, you're serious about buying and financially capable. Like having a VIP pass that lets you cut the line and get the seller's attention. But it's not just about getting noticed. Pre-approval also speeds up the mortgage application process, leading to a quicker closing. For sellers keen to seal the deal, this can be a huge selling point. So a pre-approval letter not only shows sellers that you're a serious buyer, but it can also put you at the top of the pile in a competitive market. Now, let's talk about how pre-approval can streamline the entire home selling process. You see, pre-approval is like a fast pass in the world of real estate. It speeds up the mortgage application process, helping you get to the finish line faster. Imagine not having to wait for weeks or even months to get your mortgage approved. With pre-approval, you're already a step ahead, saving precious time. Guess what? Speediness isn't just beneficial for you. It's attractive to sellers too. They want to close the deal promptly. And knowing that a buyer is pre-approved gives them confidence that the sale will proceed without unnecessary delays. Like being in a relay race where you're the first runner and the baton is your pre-approval letter. Got a head start, and that momentum carries you and the seller toward a quicker, smoother finish. So not only does pre-approval give you a competitive edge, but it can also make the whole process quicker and smoother for everyone involved. But the benefits of pre-approval don't stop there. Consider its impact on your negotiating power. It's like holding an ace in a game of cards. Sellers are often more willing to negotiate terms with a pre-approved buyer, knowing you're financially prepared. What's more, pre-approval assists in accurate budgeting. Pinpoints the price range you should be focusing on, eliminating the chase after homes beyond your reach. Pre-approval, you can negotiate confidently and focus your efforts on homes within your price range. Finally, let's talk about the confidence that comes with pre-approval. Picture this. You're making an offer on a house you love, fully aware your financing is secure. You're not just hoping, you're certain. Certainty is a game changer. The often daunting task of house hunting into a more assured, enjoyable experience. In summary, pre-approval in 2024 provides competitive advantage, streamlines the process, gives negotiating power, allows accurate budgeting, and boosts confidence in making offers. That's why it's more important than ever before when selling a home.